from Vintage Makeovers with Melanie, and today I'm going to stencil my kitchen. So I thought I would show you a quick and easy way to add a little bit of oomph to your kitchen without purchasing expensive tile and doing all that fun stuff. So what I'm using here is a little itty bitty stencil. I purchased this from Royal Design Studios, and I can get the name. I'll put the name in the links, okay? Anyway, so what we're gonna do is I'm using Debbie's Design Diaries Little Black Dress. This is DIY paint, and I'm using a Royal Design Studio stencil brush. Go ahead and repeat so you can see I've already done one. Wanted to test that out. And I'm gonna go ahead and just put this on here, try to get it straight. Use my tape to hold it down for me. This paint dries extremely fast, so I'm able to just kind of keep moving on. Okay, so we're gonna I have a paper plate here with a little bit of black paint on it. I'm just gonna go ahead and dab into that a little. Then I'm going to wipe it back off. So I'm pretty much dry brushing. Get it back off onto my paper towel. And then we're gonna go ahead and just start. So we're gonna do small circular motions. We're kind of like scrubbing it in. And we don't want too much paint because we don't want our paint to go underneath our stencil as much as possible. A little bit more paint, and dabbed it off a little bit. And there we go. So my walls are painted in a color called Crinoline by DIY, which is this white, light, creamy color. And I'm using Debbie's Design Diaries Little Black Dress. So it's kind of a crunchy way to do this, being that we're in this backsplash area. So kind of gotta get up in here, lay on the counters. We're just gonna you dab, you wipe some off, and then you scrub it on. And
watch this. Watch this.
I sealed my project with Big Top by Debbie's Design Diaries. All in all, this project took me about an hour. It was pretty easy. Using the very small stencil really helped to get in those tight spaces. Thank you for watching. Look for the products in the description below.